So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the display of your laptop or the screen of your desktop is not in the correct display resolution. So in order to fix that, simply open right click on the start menu on the home screen to fix the wrong size issue. Click on this option of display settings, and here you'll see this option that shows a display resolution. Just simply click over there and make sure that that is set to recommended value. In your case, it might be set to something like this or something else, so it is showing the particular error for you. There are multiple other resolutions that may cause that issue. For example, in this one you'll notice that side edges are removed, so it's showing the error. So just simply make sure to select the recommended value, and that will definitely solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.